Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we have a new Dollar Tree video for y'all to see what is new and what has been restocked. This is for the beginning of the week for January 23rd, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. And apparel and accessories are starting to put out their springtime handbags for little ones. And those are the little bags that have the matching daisies in the corner and the coordinating hats for springtime. They have the box, but they're not out of the box yet. A bunch of their scarves are coming in for springtime with the soft pastels, and they're bringing back some of the favorites like the bikes with the baskets of flowers in the front. In arts and crafts, there's a lot of new flowers out for springtime. We have the roses, which have a very farmhouse feel. They are a lot higher quality looking than ones they've had in the past. Much more realistic. The soft colors are really gorgeous on these roses that they have in. And then we have the little bundles of springtime flowers like daffodils. There's peonies, crocus. They also have some tulips in, which are really pretty. And I just love how they are making these look so much more realistic with the two-tone look that they have, where it's a little bit lighter on the inside and they fade up to the top of the petal to the darker colors, and they just look so much more realistic, even with some of just the detail making them look like wavy, makes them look so much more realistic. We've got the reindeer moss restocked, and then the felt squares, which are 5 by 8 inches, and the green and orange, pink and purple, or the two tones of blue, have also been restocked this week. We've got the gingham ribbon all restocked, and then these floral garden plastic wreath boards that come in 2 different sizes. Those are also out. They usually only put these out around spring. It seems like the only time I see these at the Dollar Tree. So if you like to craft with these, I would definitely pick them up when you see them. We have the Crafter Square iron-on sheets. These are 5.5 by 9.5 inches. They're glittered on the top, and there are 3 different designs that all are easy to cut by hand or with a cutting machine. We've also got the Crafter Square burlap restocked, and they had these out last spring as well. We've got the bumblebee. There's also the sunflower pattern. And then we have the polka dots with the large black, white, and yellow polka dots. There's the plain burlap and brown and the honeycomb pattern. Then they also have a plain roll that is this really pretty light tan color. We have the darker brown with the daisies with the yellow center. And then there is the blue polka dots. We also have the white polka dot and the striped burlap in pink, blue, and white. They have a bunch of their palette signs in. There's the rectangles, squares, and circles. They have them in white and black with the beaded hanger. A bunch of the DIY crosses have been restocked. And then we've got the wood round plaques, some of the birdhouses with these gorgeous laser cutouts in the front with the flowers. There's little trees and leaves and butterflies. They brought back the wreath forms that look like a beehive and a bumblebee. And then one of the stores had some of the same signs they had out last year restocked as well, but they packaged a lot of their old items up that didn't sell last year at this store, and they do seem to put them out. So I don't know if they're bringing all of those back this year or not. We've also got the DIY ceramic gnomes that you can paint. There are 3 of them. There's the one with the watermelon, one that has a heart on the hat. The other one has the little glasses with the peace sign. The baby and toddler gear, there's the Crayola whipped soap. There's a couple different scents like cherry berry, grape, and raspberry. We've also got the sponges that look like a teddy bear and a cat with the exfoliating cloth on the back. And there's also the tabletop mirrors with the white frames. There's a star, a cloud, and then there are 2 different dinosaurs, and these are about 1.5 inches thick, so they'll sit up nice on a shelf. Over in health and beauty, we're going to first start with the cosmetics. There's the Sassy Chic makeup remover cloth and the makeup sponge. We have those in the lavender, mint green, and this soft peach. They had these out around Christmas time as well. These would make great Easter basket fillers for teens. Then there are these large makeup brushes that look like a rose. They have one that has the orange top. There's the pink handle with the pink bristles, and then another gold one that has the tan and white bristles. There's 3 in all, 2 gold and 1 pink, and all the toppers are different. They have the makeup brushes that are pink with the sprinkles in the handle by Sassy Chic. Then there is the Natural Glow Just Color blushers. There's a couple different colors like Baby Doll, Pastel Chic, and Fresh Melon. We also have the Precious Mineral blush, and that is by the brand Starry. And there's a couple different shades there, and they are numbered. I believe it's 1 through 6. They brought back the keychains with the pom-poms and the lip balm in the pink and the magenta. Over in hair care, we have these ponytail holders in the 2 shades of pink, the purple and blue. Then you get the 2-pack, or there's 2 in each shade in this little packet here. We've got the Sophie brand spirals, and these are the mini spirals. You get 4 of them. We've got the more like darker colors like pinks and blues, and then there's the pastels and the larger spirals. And those are all in a 4-pack. The sleek Keep It Together snap clips in the 10-pack. The pharmacy and personal care items. We have the vanilla rose scented bath fizzers that look like roses. Some of the spa luxury body mist spray. And my favorite out of these 4 would be the cherry blossom and the sugar vanilla scent. For the body mist, you can also get the coordinating shower gel or body wash. And then there is the exfoliating body scrub, and those are an 8-ounce container. And here's what it looks like from the back. Over in Fun Finds, I found some more of those magnetic letters that came from Walmart over in their like office supply section, crafting section. You can get these in either the black or the white. It's a 68 count pack, and I've seen these now at 3 different stores. We've also got these makeup bags with the pom-poms. There's 2 different styles. There's the clear square with the black trim. It's got the pink pom-pom, and then the clear and black stripe with the pom-pom with more of like a half, like a semicircle. There are these journals that have 60 sheets. It's a 5x7-inch journal, and you get 1 sheet of stickers. Then inside the sheets of paper, they're lined, but the lines on the paper coordinate with the cover of the journal. So like this one has the soft blue, the lines will be soft blue. This one has the pink border, the lines inside of it will be pink to coordinate. There's also this fun little game called Catapult. You get 1 catapult, 3 cats, and a mat. You just kind of shoot them into the bullseye. They're kind of fun. Over in home decor, we've got these gorgeous jars with the palm leaves on the side. There's orange, gray, and white. The wax melt holders, we've got those in the black, white, and red. And then they brought back more of the metal wall hooks with the flowers. There's the pink, white, and blue, or the decorative wall design, the little flowers in the blue, melon, pink, and an off-white. Those all have a gold accent on the edge. And again, I don't know if these are just an overstock from last year that they're stocking. So I'm only seeing them at the 1 store that I go to. So I'm not really sure, but keep your eye out for those. They have these home and love signs back in, and the wall hooks that say Simply Blessed. A few of the stores restocked these jars again this week. So if you haven't seen them yet, hopefully you will find them soon. And the mini vases that look like a ball of yarn were back out. Over in the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree, we've got these list pads by Jot, and they have like the bullet journal at the top. At the bottom, you get the perforated little notepads that say like today and tomorrow. It has a coordinating list pad with the magnets on the back. Sorry, I got tongue tied there. And each one has like the decorative list pad and the bullet journal tabletop list pad with the little post-it note type things at the bottom with the perforations that say like to do notes and things like that. And you get, I believe, 60 sheets in each one of those as well. Over in housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, they have these large totes. You can get them in the blue, the melon, and in gray. And then we've got the large totes with the handle, and those are also in the melon, the blue, the gray, and the soft pale pink. They have the Sterilite crates. Those are the mini crates in white, restocked. And then I found some of the basket tags out again this week. For kitchen and pantry, there are these espresso beans in chocolate and dark chocolate. They also have this 8-count individually wrapped bars of the dark chocolate and cappuccino. Those would be great gifts for Valentine's Day. There's the Diamond Daily 20 disposable snack cups with lids. These are 5.5 ounces. And the extra large jars have been restocked. I know that's a fan favorite. So if you haven't seen them recently, hopefully you will see them, because they seem to be stocking these on the regular now. And then there's also these decorative jars with the copper lids back in stock. For the party supplies, not a whole lot new this week. There are these Serve Neon Glow tumblers in the 4-pack. They're a 16-ounce tumbler. You get 4 tumblers and then 8 glow neon sticks. It says it glows for 8 to 12 hours. And then I found some more of the Recollection straws and the 100-count packs. There's also these extra large bows that you can get compared to the smaller bows that you get. It's about the size of 4 of the small bows and 1 for the big bow. So they're pretty big. The pet care, lots of snacks. They have the Grill House treats, lots of different things like bacon sizzlers, the ribeye flavor, and beef and cheese. There's also the Butcher Bar triple flavor twist with the dog bone, and it's got like the jerky on the outside. We've also got the Kind Rewards bare bones, and it has like the peanut butter flavor. And then the seasonal items, we've got the spring items first. We've got some Easter bottle brush carrots that come in a 2-pack. We've got the yellow and the orange. And these are about 5 inches tall, not including the greenery at the top. We also have them on these little sticks. And those are also in the yellow and in the orange. It just says carrot pick. And those are in a box laying down. They're not actually individually wrapped like the smaller 2-pack that you can get. They brought back the larger carrots. Those you get in the 4-count pack. The Easter bunny little silicone trays, the bunny baskets with the ears, and the blue and pink, those are restocked. There's also the 2-pack of the shaped carrot bags. And then they brought back these signs with the polka dots in the background. There's the green, the yellow, and the pink. And then I found some more of the tabletop signs that say Easter with the eggs, little cottontails, and bunny ears. And again, those come in 2 different colors. They had out these little water bottles that look like fruit. There's a lime, lemon, and orange. They had the summer party signs that say relax, and then you can flip it over. It says enjoy. There was the tiki bar. It says closed and open. And then we've got the shot glasses in a couple different colors, and the party glasses that have the flowers down on the stem. They have those in green, yellow, pink, and blue. Then we have these new garden signs that say Sweet Spring with the gnomes and Home Sweet Home with the beehive with the yellow background. These are so pretty, and they fit on the flag holders that Dollar Tree sells. So here's the Home Sweet Home with the bumblebees. You can see the whole design. And then the gnomes with the Sweet Spring. And we also have one with some sunflowers. It says welcome. And those are all over by the garden tools. The St. Patrick's Day items. A few new items I found this week, like the 12-pack of the mustaches. There's like a glitter one, some furry ones, and then the orange glitter. And there's felt as well. And they're all different styles. We have the DIY wreath makers that say love with the shamrock, the DIY shamrock. There's also a gnome. And then the truck with the shamrock in the back, the pot of gold that says lucky. They have their large gnomes with the rainbow hats and the braids. We have one with the glitter sequins hat and the striped outfit on, also with the braids. And then the little guys there with their beards and their top hats. The Valentine's Day items, they brought back this XOXO glitter sign with the black and white stripes. So pretty. Also the Filled with Love mason jar sign, it's framed. They have one that says Filled with Love, Happy Valentine's Day. Then we have the kissing booth sign. It says 25 cents. And the other side says closed. You can flip it back and forth. They have that in the dark pink and the light pink. This one also says closed and 25 cents. The round signs that say love with the glitter. And then the DIY home with the heart on the side. They have the small wood cutout pieces that say like you're cool and love. These have the small clip on the back. There's also the stickers that you can DIY. They say kiss me and the cupid with the arrow, the roses, lips, and hearts. And then some of them are painted. So you get the natural, the pink, and the red. There are roses, the love sign. There's also a heart that says love with the arrow through the center. Then we have the 4-pack of the Love You Very Much hearts. And then these the ornament ones that say You Grow Girl. The envelopes that say Love You with the heart in the front. Like I said, there's 4 in each pack of the little sticks there. That says Forever and Always with the heart. The DIY succulent says like I'm rooting for you, looking sharp, and I'm a sucker for you. They're all the different succulents. And I found this 3-pack of heart frames, and they're separate. There's 3 different sizes. They had the heart ribbon lace in white. They usually have it in 2 colors, but I only found it in white so far. The toys, games, and puzzles for entertainment. We've got the styrofoam airplanes. They now come in different colors. We've got blue with red speckled through it. There's the orange and green, and the red with the blue speckles. And they're just slide together. There's directions on the side. They have the extra large squishies. We've got a watermelon, an avocado. There's also the cactus and the extra large purple gem. The Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 to $5 items. There's these large fur pillows in the soft pink and gray. These are absolutely gorgeous and they're so soft. It's a nice large pillow for $5, and they're the large round pillows and the soft pale pink. They also have it in this green, like greenish blue color, and then there's also gray. Those are also $5 each. The jumbo sports bottles in the ombre colors. Some of the Valentine's Day animals with the hearts that say like wild about you. This one says very much in love. And then your dynamite for the dinosaur. Those are all $5 each. The large Easter eggs that have the rope wrapped around the sides. They're a 7-inch paper rope egg for $3. They also have the Easter bunny garland. It's 6 feet of the little bunnies with the ears. Those are $3 each. There's an extra large egg that snaps together. It's the jumbo eggs. You get like one piece. They just kind of snap together. Those are $5 each of the colorful eggs. It says they're 15 inches tall. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.